Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do click on the bell icon as well so you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on a regular basis. Okay, so now let us continue with the discussion of euro versus US dollar, which is the EUR USD pair. Okay, so now when we were discussing it the last time, we were discussing this on the Wednesday night when market was trending over here. Okay, you guys can see that market is currently trending in our major resistance zone, and so the areas are area of resistance and area of support are going to remain valid. Okay, what you guys can clearly see that our area of interest, our minor area of interest was tested twice over here and over here. Okay, so if you guys were very vigilant, then you guys could have made some good profits from these two areas. And just by simply following this key for entries method, I'm not going to take trades like these anymore, because if you guys want to learn how to take these trades, I have made hundreds and thousands of videos, and each day I'm taking these trades and right in front of you guys. So in order to keep the video short, I'm only going to move forward these scenarios so you guys can easily understand that how you guys had to take trades, and just follow this key for entries method. This is the simplest method, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profits in on Monday as well, which will be the 29th of April. Okay, so now let me select all these scenarios so you guys can easily take trades in this as well. Okay, and if you guys do not understand anything, I'm always available in the comment section. Just let me know whatever is confusing you guys and unable to understand. I will try my best to explain each and everything to you guys as much as possible. So market is currently over here. So let me move this accordingly. Okay. Simply, and now I am also going to move this small circle over here just to identify tomorrow that when I was making this video, market was trending over here. Okay, so simply just follow this rule. Okay, just for the sake of ease, I am going to change the color to the short-term support area, because it has acted as a short-term area of support twice already. You guys can see over here and over here as well. So maybe if market comes down to this level for a third time, you guys can take an entry as well. But I think in my opinion, now market is making lower highs. You guys can see over here and over here. So I think that market is now going to go upstairs, which means that market is gonna go in a bullish trend from now onwards. Okay, so that's it, and that's all for our today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Till then, just do safe trading and do subscribe to our channel so you guys can receive regular updates and you guys do not miss on any of the good scenarios. Okay, thank you.